Vanakkam Makle, welcome to my YouTube channel Javis in 2016. So today we are seeing semi-final match PSG versus Leipzig, and this is lineup of both the team. So both team looking good, and they are backing some good important players for second half, and you can expect firework from both team. It will be good, interesting match to watch. So let's see how I'm making SL team. Already I have made SL team. Just I will explain how I pick the players. So for your explanation, I'm starting from first. First, I'm taking striker from both the team. So I'm covering striker. Then I'm going for defender because credit issue will come. So I'm going with defender first. Then I'm taking midfielder section. In both the teams, I'm selecting midfielder, and I'm taking opponent goalkeeper. Why I'm taking opponent goalkeeper? Because PSG will do attack in this game, so opponent goalkeeper will get more save points. So I'm taking Glucasi, and in balance one player Marquinhos I have taken from PSG. So these three defenders who I have taken means Bernard, he's playing in left back. You can see he's playing in left back position. So once PSG start attacking, Juan Bernard automatically he will come forward and he will give some assist. So I'm taking him, and personal Mbappe, he's a good, so I have taken him. Thiago Silva, he's having ability to score in corner, so I have taken Thiago Silva. If you want Thilo Kerrer also, you can take Thilo Kerrer. He's playing in right back, so he will come from this side and he'll go. But mostly Juan Bernard will get most of the ball, so I am taking him. He will also get more passing point. And in Marcel Sabitzer, Danny Olmo, I have taken midfielder because these two players only playing good in Leipzig. But you can't underestimate the other midfielder players, Neymar and Campbell. You can take them in GL. In for SL, I'm saying safe combination. Most of the Dreamland players come with like this only. They will make one changes by leaving Marquinhos. They will take another one defender, and captain as captain will be Neymar and Mbappe. So they will keep Neymar, Mbappe like this. They will come for SL. You have to make safe teams. So if you take a risky team, you can also make risky team. But I will be going always safe for SL. Okay, now let's see GL combination and GL tips. I will explain you how to keep captain vice captain choices. Captain vice captain choices you have to keep in striker because in many games the strikers are scoring. So captain vice captain choice automatically you will keep in striker only. But if you are playing in GL, you can rotate the captain vice captain choices, like you keep midfielder as captain, striker as vice captain. So in this game, PSG captain as captain choices are Neymar, Mbappe, Angel Di Maria, Marquinhos, Juan Bernat. Defender Juan Bernat and Diego Silva. In Leipzig, captain as captain choices are Paulsen, Danny Olmo, Christopher Nkenku, Marcel Sabitzer, Klosterman, and defender Dayot Upamecano. These players can score, but not sure. But these two defender can score, Klosterman and Upamecano. Okay, my captain as captain combination will be Neymar captain, vice captain Mbappe, Angel Di Maria as captain, vice captain as Mbappe, Angel Di Maria as captain, vice captain as Neymar, and another one team Sabitzer as captain, vice captain Angel Di Maria, Danny Olmo as captain, vice captain Sabitzer you can keep, Danny Olmo as captain, vice captain Neymar, Christopher Nkenku as captain, vice captain as Neymar, Paulsen as captain, vice captain as Neymar, Paulsen as captain, vice captain as Mbappe. So this will be a good combination for you. So if you have any other combination, you can keep them also. But in my opinion, I'm thinking these players will score today. Mainly Sabitzer, Olmo, and Paulsen. These three players from Leipzig, anyone can score. Don't underestimate Christopher Nkenko also. He is also good player. Try him in GL. Must player in GL. Angelino, he's playing in defending position only in Dream 11, but he will come forward and make some assist for Leipzig team. So Neymar, Mbappe, Angel Di Maria, Marquinhos, Olmo, Paulsen, Sabitzer. So these seven players good for making GL teams, like captain is captain option I'm saying. Okay guys, final team I will update in my Telegram channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every day I will come up with good video for good matches. I won't cover every matches in videos because I'm covering those matches in Telegram channel. I'm giving team. So these important matches I'm giving. Okay, guys, this is Jarvis signing off.